大家好，欢迎你们来到 Examrace. Hello everyone, welcome to Examrace. Today we will study names of clothing in Chinese. 现在开始吧 Let's start. 裙子，裙子，裙子 skirt 裙子，夹克，夹克 jacket 夹克，牛仔裤，牛仔裤 jeans 牛仔裤，毛衣，毛衣 sweater 毛衣，裤子，裤子 trousers 裤子， T 恤 T 恤 T-shirt T 恤，短裤短裤 shorts 短裤，衬衫，衬衫 shirt 衬衫，大衣，大衣 coat 大衣，袜子，袜子 socks 袜子，围巾，围巾，围巾 scarf 围巾，手套，手套，手套 gloves 手套，领带，领带，领带 tie 领带，皮带，皮带，皮带 belt， 卫衣，卫衣，卫衣 hoodies 卫衣，鞋子，鞋子，鞋子 shoes 鞋子，帽子，帽子，帽子 hat 帽子，皮鞋，皮鞋，皮鞋 leather shoes 皮鞋，高跟鞋，高跟鞋，高跟鞋 high heels 高跟鞋，平底鞋，平底鞋，平底鞋 flat shoes 平底鞋。So we have learned a lot of things in today's class. Now let's revise it. 裙子，裙子，裙子 skirt 夹克，夹克，夹克 jacket， 牛仔裤，牛仔裤，牛仔裤 jeans， 毛衣，毛衣，毛衣 sweater， 裤子，裤子，裤子 trousers， T 恤 T 恤 T 恤 T-shirt， 短裤，短 裤短裤 shorts 衬衫衬衫衬衫 shirt 大衣大衣大衣 coat 袜子袜子袜子 socks 围巾围巾围巾 scarf 手套手套手套手套 gloves 领带领带领带带皮带皮带皮带 leather belt 卫衣卫衣卫衣 hoodies 鞋子鞋子鞋子 shoes 帽子帽子帽子 hat 皮鞋皮鞋皮鞋 leather shoes 高跟鞋高跟鞋高跟鞋 high heels 平底鞋平底鞋平底鞋 flat shoes. So we have learned 20 things in this class. My tip to you will be, while speaking these words, please pay attention to your tones, as a single tone can make a huge difference to a meaning. 再见。